Tired of web links opening in a browser you don't prefer? Let's make Google Chrome your default on Android, so every click takes you where you want to go. First, unlock your Android phone and find the Settings app. It usually looks like a gear or a cog. We'll tap on it to enter the main Settings menu. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and look for an option called Apps or sometimes Apps and Notifications. Tap on this to manage all the applications installed on your device. In the Apps section, you'll need to find where your phone manages default applications. This might be directly visible, or you might have to tap on something like Advanced or a 3-dot menu icon to reveal it. Look specifically for default apps. On the default apps screen, you'll see a list of categories. Locate the one that says Browser app. This is the setting we need to change. Tapping on Browser app will present you with a list of all the web browsers you have installed on your phone. From this list, select Chrome. And that's it. You've now successfully set Google Chrome as your default browser from now on. Any web link you tap, any search you initiate, will automatically open in Chrome, giving you a seamless and personalized browsing experience on your Android device.